Hello guys, welcome to CheckTube. Today we are going to see how to delete your Instagram account permanently. As first of all, I'm going to click Instagram and go to your page. In this three dot line is that in the topmost left corner. Click this one and click the setting option which is in the topmost bottom. Click this and you can see help is there. Click the help option, this option, click it and you can see the help center. The second option is that. Click the help center and it is going to the browser right now, and you can see popular topics, issues and news and help center. In these using Instagram and manage your account is there. The second option, click this account right now, click it and you can see the second option, delete your account is there. You want to click this option right now and you can see the three option. How do I temporarily disable my Instagram account? It's used for disabling the temporary account. And the second option is the how to I delete my Instagram account. Yes, click the second option. This is for deleting your account permanently. You can see, click the delete your account page is there. Click it. This one, click it. And you can see delete your account is there. You're sorry to hear if you like to delete your account. Keep your data safe. And why are you deleting your account is that. Click it and you can give anything you want. I'm giving privacy concern. I want to block your user. I want to private account. Here you want to enter. To continue, please re-enter your password. Here click and enter your password. After entering your password, you can see now permanently delete my account option is there. Click it. So click it. Sure want to delete your account. The pop-up menu will appear like this. Click OK. And you can see your account has been removed. We are sorry to see you go. Yes, that's why your account is permanently deleted. So this is how to delete your account in